Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device supports live photos and that haptic or 3D touch is enabled. Once done, open Photos and select or create a live photo. You can convert a short video into a live photo using a converter app if needed. Make sure the live photo plays in the Photos app before moving on. This ensures the source file is valid and will animate on the lock screen. It avoids wasted steps later when you try to set the wallpaper. Now you set the wallpaper. Go to Settings, Wallpaper, then choose a new wallpaper and pick Live. You'll see options to move and scale. Use them to position the key motion where it looks best. Make sure live photo playback is turned on. If you don't, the image will stay static. Tap Set and choose Set Lock Screen so the live animation plays when you press the lock screen. This gives you the tactile animation experience without affecting home screen performance. Finish by locking the iPhone and pressing the lock screen to confirm the live photo animates. If it stays static, check accessibility motion and make sure reduce motion is off, and verify the wallpaper was set as a live photo rather than still. Also be aware that live wallpapers can use extra battery on older hardware, so switch to a still image if you need longer runtime. If animation stutters, restart the phone and reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.